hopefully going to be a very productive day since I have to shoot a lot of content for a lot of different brands and for my Instagram. So I thought I will take you guys along with me and you guys can see how I shoot my pictures and stuff. Update. I don't really know how the voice is going to record in my phone because I dropped my phone in water while I was taking a shower, but I'm hoping my phone is fine because I don't really have anything else to record with, so let's keep our fingers crossed. I quickly wanted to tell you guys that I use this water eject audio that is available on YouTube to eject any water that has gone inside the speakers, and that has worked because my speaker wasn't working about 5 minutes back, and then I played that audio. Some water droplets came out of the speaker and now it's working, so I think it's a pretty good hack. So yeah, you guys can try it if you ever face that problem and let me know if that works for you too. And let's get this day going. So I just got ready for the first look. This is what I'm shooting for. I don't know if you guys remember this. I got this bag from Lavi a while back. I decided since it's a very versatile color, I should shoot some looks with it, and I'll probably do about 4 or 5 looks. Let's see how this goes. I really just want to start making reels because I love watching them, but it's just a lot of hard work that goes into editing it and stuff. But let's see. I love this bag. This is such great quality. So yeah, let's start. This is look number 2. I am already out of breath. This is so tiring. So I managed to do 5 looks for this shoot, and now I have to start getting ready for the Blue Brew shoot. We don't really have any ideas as of now, but I'm pretty sure we'll do something. So this is what I'm wearing for the next shoot. और यहाँ पे मम्मान रेडी हो रहे हैं. क्या पढ़ रहे तुम? किसका?
ये कैसा स्पेसशिप जैसा इसलिए इतने सारे लेटर से देखो A B C D F G H I J K तक है. आखिरकार मैंने ही किया ना.
तुमने ही किया.
वापस बंद हो गया. हाँ अभी गर्म तो हो गया मम्मा. फ्री.
हाँ इसके बाद we are ready for the shoot finally. But last minute हमें ये याद आया कि मिरर सेल्फीज क्लिक करनी है, मगर हमारा मिरर काफ़ी गंदा है, प्लस इट्स प्लेस्ड जहाँ पर थोड़ा सा डार्क है. सो आई हैव फाउंड आउट अ रियली कूल हैक फॉर दैट. ये अपना प्रोटीन इंटेक कंप्लीट कर ले, उसके बाद वील गेट टू इट. हो गया, सब हो गया. ये आंख
ज़्यादा पास आते हैं.
ये आंख.
अभी इसने जो हैक निकाला हुआ है वो जाएगा कुछ ऐसा कि हम
क्या हो रहा है? उल्टी कर देगा. क्या हो रहा है?
हम शूट करेंगे ऐसे फोन पकड़ के, जैसे हम मिरर में सेल्फी ले रहे हैं, बट एक्चुअली फोटो खींचेगा उसमें.
यप. सो बेसिकली सामने एक कैमरा प्लेस करो. हाँ. जहाँ पे तुम मिरर प्लेस करोगे, ये एक फेक प्रॉप की तरह यूज होगा, क्योंकि मतलब मिरर अगर हम लोग यहाँ पे रखेंगे तो हमारा लाइट भी ब्लॉक हो जाएगा.
राइट. प्लस फोटोज भी अच्छे आएंगे, कूल आएंगे. चेंज कर देते हैं.
This is the next morning. We just woke up. It's about 11:30. I'm about to make Shivanka's breakfast now. After that, we don't have a lot of plans, but I will shoot some more content for my Instagram. Since I've been missing out on everything on Instagram, so it's high time that I get back. So yeah, I will do that. And I got this really cool package from Blue Tea. They have this really interesting teas which are caffeine free. So I will. So I'll also try these out and let you guys know how I like them. I am so excited to try this out because I have never tasted hibiscus tea, and I think it will turn out looking red or pink. Super excited. This is the brand in case anyone is wondering. And yeah. So we just got done shooting few pictures for these t-shirts that are from Shell Clothing. I love the print. This is what it looks like from the front, the back. That is what the back looked like. Really good quality t-shirts. Then I got a couple of things from Fab India. This is literally a cult favorite. I love it. My mom loves it. Everyone that I know knows and loves Fab India. So this was a really cool purchase. I will not be doing a try on haul because I will be shooting a reel in these. So this is what I wore in the first video that we shot here. This really good quality cotton kurta. This was in the size medium. It's from the slim fit category. Love the color. Love how it fits on me. Almost all of these are medium. Next is this beautiful color. This is as summery as it can get. Love the color, love the quality. Of course, it's Fab India, so it has to be great quality. Still has the tag because I haven't worn it yet. This is what it looks like. Super pretty. It has this detail on the sleeve and on the bottom. This is also a size medium from the slim fit. This is one of my absolute favorites from the current range that Fab India has. This is a strapped dress. It's so pretty. Look at the print. Cinches right below your bust, flows down. This is what the bottom looks like. The bottom is really flattering too. Love it. This is also in the size medium. I'm gonna be wearing these a lot. This thing I simply picked up because of the color. I mean, how refreshing is a color like this in Indian wear, you know? You don't see a lot of fresh colors in ethnic brands, so kudos to Fab India for that. I got this also in an M. This is like a tiny tie-up dress with this detail. Love it. It looks like a little shrug. Obsessed with the print. Detailing is so nice. Love this. And this last thing obviously had to be a white kurta because Fab India is known for their white kurtas, and this is what it looks like. It is the most beautiful white kurta that I own currently. so stunning. It's also the size medium. This is what the fabric looks like. I'm obsessed. I cannot get enough of this. Love it. Love, 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 love it. I'll be styling these in a reel possibly, because I really want to start going in on my reel game. So stay tuned for that. That was the Fab India haul for you guys. Now we will probably have lunch and then watch some more Naruto. I mean, this is literally all that we do nowadays, but it's fun. It is about 12 and I just realized while editing that I completely zoned out and I forgot to end the video. So this is about it. Like, share, subscribe, do your thing. We are gonna probably watch another episode of Naruto and then go to sleep because we have a very, very long day tomorrow. I love you guys. Thank you for all the love and support as always. You guys are amazing and I'll see you guys the next time. Bye.
सबको भेजे पे गोली मार मार के उड़ा दूंगा ये कोरोना वायरस